Hey everyone, it's Shane from BD Diesel Performance. Today we're going to talk about front suspension. Do you have a 2013 Plus or late model Ram with a leveling kit or lift kit installed? We're going to cover one way to increase the toughness of your front end. Stick around. If you're like me, you like modified suspension. If you're a lot like me, you like print magazines and psychobilly music. But aside from all that, let's consider one of the often overlooked and prevalent downfalls of lifting your suspension: accelerated wear and chassis misalignment. Follow me and let's dive in. Here we are under the truck, and we can see a specific component of the chassis that's affected by lift kits is the track bar, seen here connecting the chassis to the axle. The track bar's job is to align the front axle underneath the chassis while it drives down the road. When lifted or leveled, the track bar hangs at a slightly steeper angle. This causes the whole front axle to misalign to the driver's side, in this case ever so slightly. This misalignment, compounded by often larger wheels and tires, causes increased loads and wear and tear on the track bar. The OEM components were not designed for these loads and angles. The BD Diesel Performance Adjustable Track Bar was designed for leveling kits, lift kits, and to take the loads of larger wheels and tires. The new BD Track Bar is designed for 2013 to 2022 model Ram 3500s and 2014 to 2022 model Ram 2500s. To handle these increased loads seen from leveling lift kits and larger tires, the BD Track Bar has been designed with larger diameter forged steel components and includes an adjustment sleeve. The adjustment sleeve allows for track bar adjustment for lifted and level applications up to 4 inches without the use of a drop bracket. For increased toughness and durability, the track bar is provided with polyurethane bushings on both ends and is black Cerakoted for corrosion protection. If you have a late model Ram and you're considering modifying the suspension, be sure to replace your track bar. Drive straighter and more confident with the adjustable track bar from BD Diesel. To check out more suspension products or track bars we offer for other makes and models, go to our website at bddiesel.com.